Hey everybody, Nate here again with Stellar Blue Technologies, and today I wanted to offer up some tips and tricks and answer a question that we get here at Stellar Blue quite often when it comes to Facebook advertising. So as I mentioned in several other videos, there are several types of ads that you're going to be able to find depending or be able to use within your Facebook ads depending on the campaign objective. And really the question that we get asked a lot is which ad types are the most effective? And really the answer is going to be different for each advertiser. You're going to see that in some campaigns, a single image ad is going to be a little bit more effective than like a video ad, or the carousel ad is going to be more effective than a single image ad. So really kind of testing those different ad types to the different audiences and see how they're received by that audience is really the most effective way of kind of gaining knowledge and really driving a positive return on your Facebook advertising. One other ad type that's not on this list that Facebook released a couple years ago is the lead gen ad type. This can be really useful for local service providers like roofers, landscapers, or dentists that offer specific services like Invisalign to gather potential client contact information directly on Facebook without having them leave their experience. With the addition of a couple of automation tools that we use, we can actually coordinate real-time delivery of these leads directly to that business. This helps in terms of the speed to lead that everybody is talking about, and that is very important right now. Not only from a B2B standpoint, but also to kind of try to entice people to make that quick sale, or set an appointment, or what have you. But really, that's kind of where the exclusive leads opportunity comes from, utilizing Facebook advertising, and that speed to lead actually can increase the overall number of sales that you see. As I mentioned in some of our previous videos, you may notice that Facebook actually prefers a specific ad placement over others. Ads is very similar. You're going to find that Facebook prefers one ad type over another. They typically prefer video over like a still image in some cases, but for the most part, the ads that you're going to see are going to be single image or single video ads. But really, again, testing the different ad types is really the most important aspect of the campaigns. We've also noticed that using specific keywords within your ads can actually increase or boost your results as well too. So as an example, our ad for advertising to the online advertising interest actually received more impressions than the other ads within that same ad set. Talking about different technologies or what have you. Another tip that we've come to figure out is really you're trying to make your ads not look like ads. So Facebook within the algorithm is looking for really kind of engagement and knowledge, and trying to get people to really interact with your brand or your ad. You may see some people out there that troll ads. They put a specific comment in an ad. Well, that actually means that they're going to see that ad or ads from that business more often. So that's good, and that's good interaction. I'm not saying go out and create a false ad. We don't want to be false advertising or anything like that. But we do want to be creative. We want to try something different. Find an image that is going to make somebody stop and scroll. Use a GIF or a GIF within your ad too, to really kind of get people to stop scrolling and start taking action.